Howdy, who all my stock market gamblers, welcome today. I'm Tall Mike. It's April 7th. It's a Wednesday. What I want to talk today about is silver, in particular the silver miners. So let's take a look here at what the miners are doing. Alright, now this chart is not known to most people, but this is a chart that professionals look at. It's called the Gold Miners Bullish Percent Index. So down here, just at the beginning of March, we were down here at 25%. Only 25% were bullish. Now, how they measure this is basic. Just think of it as how many of the gold miners are trading above the 50%, 50-day moving average. So back here, only 25% of them was moving above the 50-day moving average. Back in August, about 100%. So it came down 75%. But look what's happening recently. Going up, going up, going up. We're up to 40%. Now 40% is still on the low side. I believe the miners have a long way to move and they're going to move higher. Now why do I believe this? Well, let's take a look at the silver chart. Okay, so this is SLV. This is what's called paper silver. Now, paper silver is trading around $23. Okay, $23 for paper silver. Now, if you want the physical silver, the Silver Eagles is what I recommend, you're going to be paying $35 to $40. If you just want to buy one, it's going to be over $40. You want to buy a roll of 20, going to be down around $35, $36. So we got paper here trading at $23. Now why do I have to pay $36 for the Silver Eagle? Well, these are two different markets. Remember when oil dropped negative? It was trading at negative $30 or $40 a barrel. Now when that happened, could you go into the gas station and fill your car up and expect them to pay you $30 to fill it up? No, it doesn't work like that. Okay, paper silver, they can do whatever they want with it. They could even probably beat the price negative for all I know. But what I do know is the physical silver is never going to go negative. When paper silver is trading negative, I bet physical silver is still going to be $40, maybe even $50 an ounce. Physical silver is going to continue higher. And I do believe paper silver will go higher with it. Look at this chart of the 50-day moving average. Look at how it's just trending nicely upward. Now this is actually a weekly chart, so this is the 50-week moving average. So we're sitting right above it. Okay, I'd like to see it come down a little bit, still down to 22 on the physical, on the paper silver, down to $22 would be a screaming buy. But it's a buy right here. We're at $23 and change. It's a buy right here. Now, why am I so confident about silver? People ask me this all the time. Mike, you talk about silver, you talk about silver, you talk about silver. Well, look, I'm a stock market gambler. The thing is, I cannot find anything in the stock market that is trading at a valuation that I'm really that happy with. Things are expensive. Stock market's at record high, record high, record high. But look at silver. Silver is 50% off from its 1980 price. You find me a commodity like that, let me know. I want in on that. Silver, the downside risk to the upside reward, downside risk very little. Now sure it can go down. Sure it can. It can go all the way down. It can keep dropping from here. But it's cheap. It's cheap. If it keeps dropping, I'm going to be buying more and more and more. Silver is cheap right now. And that's why I keep talking about it. Yes, you want to stack silver and you want to be a trader of silver. Now let me show you what I'm doing as a trader of silver. Okay, the ones that I like to trade, this is my favorite one. It's called Pan American Silver, PAAS. Now if you look at this, this is a weekly chart, so this is the 50-week moving average. It's not breaking down below it. It's holding. It's holding this 50-week moving average. I think it's going to bounce higher from here. We're at $32 and change. Now, we did come down here to $28 and change, and a week later we're at $32. Now I have options on this. I have call options. They're dated out. I don't know. May. I think I'm in May. Call options all the way out there, another month or two. But I bought them last week, and I paid about $1, and now they're about $2. I took half my position off. Anytime my position goes up 100%, I made 100% on those options in 1 week. I think it's going higher, though. I do. I think it's going higher. Now, would I like a little pullback so I can get a bigger position on? Sure. I would like to see a little pullback, but Pan American Silver, it's what I trade. I'm a stock market gambler. I'm gambling in the silver market, and I like to gamble with Pan American Silver options because they're very volatile. They do jump around, and you can buy them when they're buy the dip, as they say, and sell the rip. Okay, that's what I like to do with Pan American Silver. Now, let's take a look at one more today. One more. All right. So, what we got? We got Mag Silver. Mag Silver, I like it. I jump in and out of it. It was sitting here at $24 not too long ago, and now you can buy it for $16. That's a third off. Now, could it come down here to $8? Absolutely could. Look it. This came all the way down. We were trading down here below $5. Below $5 back in March, a year ago. All right, so 1 year goes below 5. Now it's up to 16. That's a triple. And it was up at 24. That was a 5-bagger, but now we're just at a triple. Now, do I think it's a buy here? Yeah, I do. Now, why? Well, you guys know why. They're going to print money. They're going to print money like crazy. They're going to sit there and they're going to tell you there's no inflation. Well, I'm here to tell you there's going to be inflation. Inflation's now. Inflation already happened. They printed 25% increase in the money supply just in 2020. That means the dollars in your wallet went down by 25%. But this here, silver, it went up. I was buying these at $18 at the beginning of 2020. $18 for Silver Eagles. Now they're costing $40. Went up 100%. The money in your wallet went down by 25%. These went up by 100%. Where do I want to have my money? Do I want to have my money in physical hard assets, or do I want to have it in that paper stuff where they're just going to continue to devalue it, to dilute it? Biden, he's already done $2 trillion. He wants to do another $4 trillion in infrastructure, and he's not done there. He's going to go above and beyond. They're going to print the money until the money's not worth anything. What will always be worth something? Real money. Silver's real money. Get some more silver. I'm going to be buying some more. I want it to come down. People think I get sad when silver pulls back. No, I get happy. I go shopping. I get sad when it goes up because I know what they're doing. They're destroying our country with the printing of money. A lot of people are going to be poor. A lot of people are going to die from hunger because they can't afford $50 for a loaf of bread. Look, this is sad when silver goes up. But you got to protect yourself. You got to protect your family. And I do that with buying silver. Physical silver, I trade the paper silver. I jump in and I jump out of that. I do not sell my physical silver. I do not. I just put it in a stack and set it aside, and I don't look at it. But if you want to do trading, Mag Silver's a great one to jump in and out of. I think we're going to go back to $24, $25 levels soon. This is all I got for you today. Just a quick update on silver. Just wanted to talk to you about that. I'm Tall Mike. If you like this stuff, give me that thumbs up. It does help me get more people to watch. It's just me and you today. Really, I get about 50 views or so, but you're one. You're important to me. I love you, man. Keep watching. We'll talk again soon. Bye-bye now.